The demolition of the kitchen is complete. We've cut through the wall where the gas stove is going to be now. So the overall cut through it actually opens the area up quite a bit. What you're seeing here is right back down to the subfloor. We'll be making the selections on the kitchen flooring. But meanwhile, we've framed in that doorway that was over in the corner to get a really good cabinet line through there. Is now what we're looking at is a much larger kitchen space in this unit. So we've broken it right down to the studs. So far we've found very little rot damage on the inside here. We've also taken out the pantry area where we'll be installing the new pantry cabinets. And as we go through the hallway into the bathroom area, you'll see the new bathroom door is framed up there. We've shuffled everything to the right as we discussed, so we have our new tub shower layout will be right here in this space, and that gives us enough room to get a proper vanity in over here on the wall. So right now Panton Plumbing's coming in next week to take care of the rest of the roughing in on the plumbing for the kitchen and the bathroom. The upstairs bathroom is coming along just fine. We've pulled the shower out and we've got the new neo-angle shower base ordered, and as well as the tub for the bathroom.